The International Business Consulting Specialization is the perfect study to boost a professional career. It develops hard and soft skills to build a booming career in the consultancy sector and any other corporation. Hello, I am Professor Alberto Martinez, Academic Director of ESCP Madrid campus, and I want to present you the consulting specialization which aims to develop soft and hard skills to ensure our students can succeed in the recruitment processes of top-notch and global consultancy companies. The courses and content of the option have been designed to provide the critical techniques in the consultant day-to-day work, not only from a conceptual point of view, but also from a practical one, as the pedagogical model follows one of the principles of ESCP, learning by doing. The classes are very practical, starting by getting the key concepts and applying examples, exercises, case studies, and real business problems later on. It prepares candidates to understand and define the issues a company has, to manage the client expectations, and to define the company consultancy project goals. This makes them ready to succeed in the recruitment processes by knowing the critical success factor in a consulting job interview and excel at solving interview cases. We also develop the analytical thinking skills to interpret complex data and transform it into actionable information to allow the client to make decisions and solve complex business problems. Understanding a company's or organization's finance and economics is another area the specialization expands. In addition, the master grows the knowledge and skills of sustainability both from the environment and the people sides. With all this, soft skills like teamwork, problem solving, leadership, stakeholder management, negotiation, emotional intelligence, and cognitive flexibility are grown over the time the student pursues their studies. By pursuing this specialization, the students are far better prepared than any other candidates for consultant or management positions. We look forward to welcoming you in Madrid campus, and in the meantime, do not hesitate to contact us.